I'm chilling on the bank of the Snake River here, hoping to photograph some osprey. So I'm keeping my eye on, there's one over here up on a tree across the river, and then there's another one quite a ways further away over there across the river. But so you can kind of see what this scene looks like. It's very beautiful here in Grand Teton National Park. And the sun keeps coming and going, so exposure is getting a little bit tricky. Right now I'm in a dark situation with the sun behind the clouds right there. So I'm shooting here with my Nikon D850 and a 200 to 500 millimeter lens. And I'm kind of set up as low to the ground here as is comfortable, waiting for these osprey to hopefully come hunt and catch some trout here in the Snake River in front of me. So I'm cranking up the ISO to get 2,000th of a second here because I want to catch that bird coming and splash down in the water, and then as it comes up out of the water with a fish, ideally, I have a ton of shutter speed to be able to freeze that motion. So right now that means I'm at ISO 3200 and f5.6. And yeah, so it's kind of a waiting game now. Just see what comes by. So I've got these osprey here. There's also a good chance some eagles could come by or some white pelicans. This is just a really nice spot here on the Snake River to sit quietly and see what happens. And luckily I've got two osprey in view. So hopefully one of them is feeling hungry. And maybe they'll give me some opportunities for some nice photographs today. But either way, it's nice to sit here because the river here, there are fish feeding, so you can see them splash and jump out of the water, and then the osprey are cruising around and chirping and doing their thing. So it's a really nice way to just kind of sit and watch and listen and enjoy. So I'm going to do that regardless. Hopefully I can make some photos too. And while I'm sitting here waiting, this is my new thing I'm testing up here. It's a little camcorder that's sitting in the hot shoe here that I can zoom in pretty tight. So like I'm shooting at 500 millimeters on this lens, and I'm maybe at like half of that here, maybe 250-ish, something like that. So ideally I can kind of show what's in my viewfinder or close to it. It's hard to get it lined up exactly, but at least show kind of close to it as I'm panning around and making photographs with the camera. First time out trying it, so we'll see how it works and how it looks in practice. But in theory, it seems like it has a reasonable chance of being kind of cool. So today's my first day trying it out. I'm sure I will need to refine things a little bit, but I'm excited to see how that's going to look. All right, a few raindrops starting to hit me, and it looks like it's about to get nasty up there. So I'm out of here. That was actually pretty fun. I didn't get any like great osprey stuff. I got a few times that I'm coming down to the water and making a splash and getting a few photos. Got a nice pelican coming in for landing, and nothing great, but really fun and good practice. It's always great practice to try and photograph osprey. They move really fast and unpredictably, so trying to focus on them and keep them in the frame and all that, it's really great practice. So I'm happy to be out here Wind is getting going. Hopefully that's not messing with the microphone too much. But anyway, about the practice thing, it's great to sit out here and enjoy myself, but then to also get some good practice was great. I didn't make any awesome photos tonight, but hopefully I kept my skills sharp, and I'm going to get out of here before I get soaking wet. Yep, it's on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate that. And have a great day, and I'll see you on the next episode. Take care. Bye.